What are share market? A stock market, also known as a share market, is a collection of marketplaces and exchanges where stocks and other securities are traded. The stock market is a key aspect of the global financial system and provides companies with an opportunity to raise capital by issuing shares. Investors can buy and sell stocks and other securities in the stock market in an effort to earn a profit. The stock market can be either physical, meaning that buyers and sellers come together in a physical location to trade, or virtual, meaning that trades are conducted electronically. Today, most stock markets are virtual and trades are conducted through computer networks. The largest stock market in the world is the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, located in the United States. Stocks are securities that represent a portion of ownership in a company. When a company issues stocks, it is selling a portion of itself to investors. The price of a stock is determined by supply and demand in the market. If many people want to buy a stock, the price will go up, and if many people want to sell a stock, the price will go down. The stock market is considered to be a barometer of the overall health of the economy, as the performance of stocks reflects the performance of the companies they represent, as well as the economy as a whole. Investors can buy and sell stocks in the stock market in several ways. They can trade through a broker, who will buy and sell stocks on their behalf for a fee. They can also trade directly through online trading platforms. When buying a stock, investors are taking a risk because the price of the stock can go up or down. However, if the company is successful and its stock price goes up, the investor can sell the stock for a profit. The stock market is also influenced by various factors, including economic indicators, such as interest rates, GDP growth, and inflation, as well as company-specific news, such as earnings reports, product releases, and mergers and acquisitions. Political events, such as elections and changes in government policy, can also impact the stock market. In conclusion, the stock market is a complex and dynamic system that plays a vital role in the global economy. It provides companies with a way to raise capital, and it gives investors an opportunity to earn a profit by buying and selling stocks. Understanding the stock market and how it works is an important aspect of personal finance and investing. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share our video.